Which article of the Constitution guarantees the right to freedom of speech and expression? Options: A. Article 19, B. Article 20, C. Article 21, D. Article 22. Correct answer is Article 19. How many members are elected to the Lok Sabha? Options: A. 500, B. 543, C. 545, D. 552. Correct answer is 545. What is the term of the Lok Sabha? Options: A. 4-year, B. 5-year, C. 6-year, D. 7-year. Correct answer is 5-year. What is the name of the upper house of the Indian Parliament? Options: A. Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. Vidhana Sabha, D. Vidhana Parishad. Correct answer is Rajya Sabha. Who is the head of the executive branch of the Indian government? Options: A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Governor. Correct answer is Prime Minister. What is the name of the highest court in India? Options: A. Supreme Court, B. High Court, C. District Court, D. Tribunal. Correct answer is Supreme Court. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court? Options: A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Parliament. Correct answer is President. What is the name of the system of local government in rural areas? Options: A. Panchayat Raj, B. Municipal Corporation, C. Grama Sabha, D. Jilla Parishad. Correct answer is Panchayat Raj. Which article of the Constitution deals with the organization of village panchayats? Options: A. Article 40, B. Article 243, C. Article 244, D. Article 245. Correct answer is Article 243. Which of the following is not a fundamental right under the Constitution of India? Options: A. Right to equality, B. Right to education, C. Right to property, D. Right to freedom of speech. Correct answer is right to property.